Are you about to graduate and enter the world of IT? Want to know which data tools will give you a competitive edge? Here are the top 5 data tools every college graduate should master before launching an IT career. Tool 1. Microsoft Excel. From basic data manipulation to complex analytics, Excel remains the go-to tool for reporting, analysis, and everyday data challenges. Its formulas, pivot tables, and charting features make it a universal skill across every industry. Tool 2. SQL, Structured Query Language. As the backbone of data querying and relational databases, SQL is a must-have skill. Whether you're analyzing business data, building back-end systems, or working in business intelligence, knowing how to extract and transform information using SQL is essential. Tool 3. Python. This versatile programming language is vital for data analysis, automation, machine learning, and more. Its vast library ecosystem, including pandas and matplotlib, lets you handle any data processing task with ease. Tool 4. Power BI or Tableau. At number 4, we have visualization tools, Power BI or Tableau. Both let you turn raw data into stunning interactive dashboards. These tools help you communicate insights clearly, so you stand out, whether your audience is technical or not. Tool 5. Google Sheets. Last, don't overlook Google Sheets. Perfect for real-time collaboration and cloud-based projects. Google Sheets offers robust data manipulation and seamless integration with other cloud tools, making teamwork and sharing a breeze. Bonus tools. Looking to go further? Try tools like R for statistics, K9 and RapidMiner for visual workflows, or even get an introduction to big data platforms like Hadoop and Spark. Closing frame. Call to action. Master these 5 tools and you'll have a rock-solid foundation for any IT role, from software development to data science and beyond. Start learning today and unlock your full potential in the tech world.